Eli's going to replace the front switch panel now using his two tools, number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 2.5mm hex driver. You want to come around here, Larry?
You got 5 screws on the bottom.
I was going to show them the 2 here. There are 5 screws on the bottom and 2 screws on the inside that have to be removed. In the corner, it's the 2.5mm hex. You had to use a smaller head to get in the corner, and the rest of them are Phillips. And the screws on the inside, this one does not need to be completely removed. It just needs to be loosened, and it slides out of the way in the channel. While he's doing that, let me show you something, Larry. While he's removing those screws, this is your emergency stop switch. You see there's a little orange plastic clip. If you squeeze that, the switch body comes off on the inside. So you pull that off and remove all the other connectors and know where the connector came from, because you want to get them back in the same place when you put it back together. And that's just a little thumb
plastic
screw.
nut.
So you can see when it reassembles, there are some little keyed channels on here, and it only goes in one way, so it'll only go in when you get it in the right direction. So we'll put that back on when he gets the new panel.
Phillips screw here.
Now that one you can leave in, right? Or you have it. No, you have glue holding that one in. There's part of this.
Need some cutters.
So there's a cable tie just as a strain relief in the hole at the corner of the circuit board.
And the power cable. Here we go. That's it. Same way to install it back. And make sure that your nuts straight to the holes.
What he's talking about is there's a channel here
Yes.
with a captive nut in it, so we can locate the nut. Now, if that nut is over here, you might have difficulty relocating it. Sometimes we use a drop of hot glue to hold it in place temporarily. If yours doesn't have that, just make sure you use, just get a little piece of wire or a screwdriver, push the nut to the side. Then when you're ready, you can push it back where it needs to be. And be careful on this side that you don't lose the nut that is in the corner. And it might help to, place some kind of object in this hole to keep that nut from falling off inside the channel.
That's it.
You want to tell them about making sure that this is adjusted so it doesn't hit the door. So make sure your panel is justified as far as possible to your left when you're facing the machine, so that you can look on the front, so that the door does not
Does
interfere
not
with
touch from. That's it.
it. Oh, now reconnect the
Yep.
emergency stop switch. Now he's going to replace all the wiring.
Done. That's it.